Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. Welcome to another version of the program today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to support your boy if you have not subscribed before, and turn on the notification button to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. We want our own share of the national cake, Sheikh Amed Gumi stated in his recent interview with BBC. You guys remember Sheikh Amed Gumi, the man who was negotiating with Fulani bandits, terrorists, and kidnappers recently in Zamfara state. Anyways, like I said in one of the videos which I posted earlier, this is another way of bringing a visual unity before your eyes again in the name of one Nigeria. They have seen that Nigerians are rising up and that the one Nigeria project that they are feeding from are now backfiring. According to what their foreign advisors are saying to them, they are now trying to negotiate with the bandits openly to say, we spoke to them and they accepted, and for that reason, we have decided to give them an amnesty. Then the spirit of all Nigerians will be appeased that all is well, whereas all is not well, because they want to see that they sit in the commonwealth of Nigerians and fit fairly as they have been doing. That is garbage. As far as I know, we must all open our eyes and see that the race to this freedom is actualized. Nobody should accept to be deceived. Nigeria is a crap. It's not working. It can't work. Not even today or in the future time. Watch the video yourself to see the garbage this man was vomiting.
I think Nigerians all should embrace peace. That is the best way. And Nigerians should allow them to have a share of the national cake. Don't lynch us when we come. Please don't, once we lay down our weapons, don't come over us and arrest us and kill us. Give us amnesty. Then please, I've seen it's not all, what do you call it, Fulani that are herdsmen. In fact, in every region, you have different tribes that are herdsmen too. But they have common thing. They are usually, they dominated the bushes. That these people are not educated in any sense. They have no any formal education, most of them, most of the criminals. So I said, let me see and have a contact and see firsthand what is their problem. Let's hear from them. Let's see what are they fighting for. What I found out is a small case of criminality which turned into lie down and take bribing and let them go. And then it slowly developed into kidnappings and what we have. From their tune, they show us they are forced to do that. We ask them, what are your conditions if you want to blend and come back with what are your conditions? And we found their conditions are palatable, and no government should waste its military in trying to kill this poor ragtag population. They want to give out their weapons to the government, but on the condition there should be amnesty for them. They want to come into markets. They want to be able to go into towns. There are many towns they cannot even venture into it. Dialogue will do it 100%. 100%. You see, if the government can come in seriously and come into this dialogue, I'm sure these people will lay down their arms, just like what happened with the Niger Delta militants. If there's anything of this quadrum and this party, that's why now I can spend an hour with you, with the press, trying to explain to you what I have seen, so that you can also put your pot in fire.
Martin Nnamdi Kanu reviewed another ESN's tested and trusted chewing stick that is used to pursue bushmeats. This is another made in Biafra weapon. You can see in the picture how it looks, but it's very powerful, small but mighty. I must tell you this. Another evidence that ESN is prepared and willing, that ESN ought to be trusted and supported with everything in us. We have it all, and we are ready to defend that land, and nothing will stop us from doing so. Support ESN with everything you have. Support ESN with whatever little thing you can. Pray for ESN. Give them every moral support. Stand against anything that is standing against ESN, because that is the only voice that the people now trust and hold. Imagine people running away from Nigerian army and every other security parastatals in that country and trusting ESN with everything. The only people, the only group, the only security structure that the people have hope in is ESN currently. Whatever ESN says is now what Nigerians are trusting. Support ESN now. Support ESN tomorrow. Support ESN forever. ESN has come to stay, and nothing will stop ESN. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching.